FlexiBroker Securities and Licensing tutorial includes superuser attributes. The status of supervisor is that of the superuser. This is not just the task of supervising the work of subordinates, but also controls access to much of the functionality of the system. The superuser is granted absolute access to all the functionality of FlexiBroker. Select N, Security and Licensing, from the supplementary main menu. This menu is only available to a supervisor or superuser. For other users, this menu is grayed out. It manages permissions of users to the functionality of FlexiBroker. The security menu will display as follows. Only a supervisor or superuser can add, delete, or alter a user or set up the permissions applying to a user. These range from viewing limited data sets and functionality within FlexiBroker to performing financially sensitive tasks. A comprehensive set of task-related permissions can be set up for various differing users. When a new user is appointed, select B, User Management, then select Add User. The new user screen will display. Here you can enter the unique username, the administrator that this user belongs to, the broker branch, where you can select the broker that this user will be limited to, the agent, where you can select the agent that this user will be limited to, and the insurance company, to select the insurer this user will be limited to. If no selections are made, all will be substituted and no exclusions will apply. Tick the User is a supervisor tick box if this use is to be a supervisor or superuser. Use the Groups Belonged To tick box to set the work groups this user will be limited to: Underwriting Group, Claims Group, and Accounts Group. Omit the tick to exclude the user's access to that processing group. No tick implies the negative. Select OK to save this record or cancel to abort this entry or these changes. Select OK to confirm or X to abort. If you have selected OK, the following screen will display. Activities can be selected or omitted to set up the permissions parameters for this user. Each of the above items gives rise to a subsequent permissions screen to identify specific permissions. For example, note that there is an option to select or deselect all items, which may continue below the items shown.